What's good, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to another Photoshop tutorial. If you'll go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and hit that little notification button so you'll be notified every time I drop some heat on you. We're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright, so now that we're in Photoshop, I'm going to go ahead and create new. And I'm going to just pick a canvas size that I like. I press the letter V because it's the shortcut for the move tool. If you look right here, it'll be highlighted on your toolbar. This is your toolbar. So the move tool is highlighted. I want to bring in a photo into Photoshop. So I'm going to select File. I'm going to drop down to Open. And I'm going to go wherever on the computer that my photo is located. So I'm going to bring a picture up of my nephew. And it was his birthday yesterday, so he got his little #1 shirt on or whatnot. I'm gonna left click and drag him into the other tab that I'm working on, the project tab that I'm working on. I'm just gonna drop him on the canvas just like that. Now sometimes your subject would be too big or too small for your liking. Right now he's too big for my liking. You'll press Control T, that'll bring up the transform window. You can just grab the sides and you can move it down or you can move it up. Same thing with text. So we're moving it down just to get it where I want to on the canvas. And I'm just gonna click OK. The next tool I want to show you is the crop tool. The shortcut for the crop tool is C. If you notice, your crop tool is highlighted for you in your toolbar. So let's just crop it. And it'll also take off the photo if you go that far. I think it look snabby right there. So at the top we're gonna press the OK button. It gives you an option to go back, to exit out of it totally, or confirm it. So we're just gonna confirm it. Boom, there you go. Zooming in by pressing Alt and scroll. And I'm gonna go back to my V. I always go back to the move tool. Alright, so next I wanna bring up another layer. So on your layers panel, if you go down like a cross inside a box, just click that and it'll bring up a layer on top of my nephew. Make sure you're on that layer and press B, which is another tool that I want you guys to know because it's your brush tool. When I bring up the brush tool, it's gonna give me a too big of a size brush. If I wanted to scale the brush up or down, I hit the bracket, the left bracket to go down, the right bracket on your keyboard to scale it up. I'm also gonna change the color of my brush. The default colors for your brush are black and white. The shortcut to flip these colors around is X. And it'll toggle the black and the white. So I'm just pressing S, X, X, X over and over so you'll see it. And now I'm just gonna color around my nephew to my likings. And I don't know, I'm just making some misty fog, some kind of misty fog. And I'm just gonna space bar. The space bar brings up a little hand and it's your navigation. If you watch my last video, you'll know about the navigation of the hand tool and by pressing space bar to get it. Alright, I think that's enough fog around him. Now I'm gonna press E. And E is the shortcut for your eraser tool. And over here it is right here. So I'm gonna zoom in just so I can erase those spots that I really don't want covered. Matter of fact, it's too small for me, so I'm gonna hit those brackets up a little bit. Same thing as the brush. And I'm just gonna brush around the spaces that I don't want. And I'm gonna go a little bit farther so I can create some kind of shadow. Some kind of shadow on them. Take it and go around, you know. Nothing special about the picture except for my nephew. And we're just gonna get a little shadow going around him right there. Some around his back, a little bit around his arm, just to show the difference. Yeah, like he on some glass or like a foggy window or something. Alright, now the next tool I want to show you is your type tool. And the shortcut for type tool is T. And if you can see over here in the toolbar, it's highlighted. So now that we have our text tool, I want to flip the color down here again, and I want to flip it back to black. So I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to press click anywhere, backspace, and I'm going to type happy birthday. And I'm going to select it. Hit my move tool with V, Control T, and I'm just going to click any corner and drag it up. It'll drag it up proportionally in Photoshop CC. I don't know about the previous Photoshops before that. Happy birthday down at the bottom to him. If I wanted to bring like another picture in, I'll just do the same process I did in the first go by hitting File, Open, and grabbing a little hat. So I'm gonna left click on it, drag it over here to the project that I was working on, and just drop it there, you know? So it's nothing fancy, just something to show you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe, share this video, comment, like it, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop some heat on you. So thank you for tuning in. Y'all stay safe, much love. Be safe out here in these streets.